about what we discovered in that cupboard. Was the water going inside the camper? Very nice. Shower for free. Oh my god. Sometimes I'm curious how this camper can drive. Now that we are still moving and it doesn't fall apart. Terrible. Similar what we have, what I can see from my village. Even I am higher, and these are even higher. But okay, let's pretend that we are not at the sea level.
Okay. I think we already above the sea level.
Yeah, now we are for sure. Now we are above the sea level.
Yeah,
too much.
Too much, yes.
Maybe 10 meters. I don't know. The shoot that we have this. Okay. How is it called? Out by strawberry jam. It's made with love. Okay. 2 hearts.
Nice. Oh, 2 hearts. Okay.
So we're gonna try in the camper.
Okay. After you guys eat, I will eat.
I don't agree with this.
So that I can take care of you guys.
We should die at once.
No!
Something like that. It was modified for Elise. Spontaneous spraying goals. Wow.
Nice.
I can. Let's go to Butterfly. Oh. And then we can open. No. Okay. Careful, it can spray.
Oh.
But you can. You will get wet. Come on, you can jump it.
I get wet a little bit.
Wow, I was lucky. I first.
Oh my god.
Also wenn sie jetzt noch da.
Oh, wow. Okay, I was thinking it's small. Another elephant if you want. Behind me.
Another one.
With the breadcrumb. Okay.
Yeah.
Hello there. We are lost together. Okay, let's find the way.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can put the stick
Hey! I got lost! Oh my god.
Oh my god. Yeah. But it's nice to
Sit here.
sit in a maze.
Amazed.
Yeah,
and be amazed.
The same place. Yeah.
It's the same
place. Yes, we are here. Made it. Okay. Nice. Hello guys.
Hey.
Nice exit.
Yes. Made it.
Okay, good. Flour and smashed potato.
Raw smashed potato.
Raw smashed.
Yeah, it's not smashed. They're like how to make it. It's like a raw puree from potatoes and flour. Yes, and that's it.
Okay.
And then you just put it in the boiling water and you put the sour cream. On the final product and that's it. But we need to make 2 bowls because it's small.
Yeah. Yeah. You are shiny, shiny, shiny.
Yes, I see.
Shiny boy.
Shiny boy. I'm a good boy because I'm cooking.
Yes.
Sometimes. Okay.
Yes.
Looks good. Looks like the first one. So
Yeah.
it cannot go higher, unfortunately.
Yeah. We have to just chill.
Yes. For now we have to
That's the
really
camping.
just wait. Because that's all what we can do for now.
Yes.
Nice. Our hobo home.
Yeah. You don't want to go back home?
No.
You mentioned.
Yes. This is nice hobo Kontiki home.
Yeah.
Yeah, when if it's windy then it's like really helping, I guess, this thing. But it should be covered, it will be much better.
Hello guys.
Hey.
How are you doing here?
Very well.
Very well.
No,
Okay.
you're home.
Yes, hobo home.
Okay, cool.
A lot. Yeah, you have to measure your body weight.
This is a podlesniki, which is like potato pancakes. Made same substance with the halushki. You just put egg, salt, pepper, and majoran. Then I can make like that. Should be melted. But okay, I can make like that.
Yes, dude.
make it from other side, but I don't want to touch it from other side because it will be. I'll just make from this one. So like this.
Every time we need to have tractor to get out from the grass.